My name is Jarrod. I live in Auckland, New Zealand, and I'm a cochlear implant recipient. Since having a cochlear implant, my life has changed tremendously and I feel far more confident than I did before. For work, I am an IT engineer for schools and small businesses, and using a Nucleus 7 helps me communicate effectively every day. And the clarity and richness of sound for me is a really big thing, especially in this line of work that I do. People don't like to repeat themselves, so it's very important that I get what they have to say first time. One thing I love about the Nucleus 7 is the direct streaming feature. And for me, this is really important as I take a lot of calls for work. My dream is to be a commercial pilot, and I've wanted to be a commercial pilot since I was 2 years old, and I would feel extremely overjoyed if I was to achieve this dream. I know it's going to be very challenging along the way, but when I get there, it's going to show people that yes, you can do it with any sort of hearing impairment or disability.